Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. We'll be exploring how to create a voice-to-text generator using Python. Imagine being able to convert spoken words into written text effortlessly. Well, that's exactly what we're going to accomplish together. So, let's not waste any time and get started. The aim of this project is to build a Python script that can convert speech to text. We will use the speech recognition library to achieve this. The script will listen to audio input from the user's microphone, transcribe the speech to text, and output the result to the console. Before you start building the project, you will need to install the speech recognition library. You can do this by running the following command in your terminal. Now let's look on building the project. Step 1. Import the required libraries. The first step is to import the speech recognition library, and initialize an instance of the recognizer class. Now we can go to the next step. Step 2. Define the audio source. We will use the microphone as the audio source for this project. The microphone class from the speech recognition library will allow us to access the audio input. This code block will listen to audio input from the microphone, and store it in the audio variable. Step 3. Transcribe the audio to text. The next step is to transcribe the audio to text. We can do this using the recognize_Google method from the recognizer class. On step 3. This code block will use the recognize_Google method to transcribe the audio to text. If the transcription is successful, the text will be printed to the console. If there is an error message will be printed instead. Now let's put it all together. Here is the complete code for the project. Step 5. Running the project. To run the project, save the above code in a file called voice_to_text.py. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where the file is saved. Then run the following command. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.